We went from an ordinary 3-tier setup and changed it to Nutanix to be more agile and to keep our staff on a low headcount. My name is Max. I'm a CTO at Cloud Factory. Our company is Danish distributor of cloud services. We are distributing our services through our portal. We have built our own portal so we can match the offering we want to give to our partners. We are a clean partner channel, no end customers, only partners. We decided to make a bigger company and we needed to create a bigger infrastructure as a service offering. From 2021 to 2023, we added 220 partners, from 110 to 330 partners. Without a smooth machine, that wouldn't be possible. One of the key business benefits is actually the amount of headcounts we need to manage the whole system. Our infrastructure back in the days were built on a 3-tier model. We needed a lot of competencies to ensure that we had a staff around that. We needed to look into a more simple way of doing that. Then, Nutanix was the only choice actually, as we saw it at that time. It's very important that we can scale our infrastructure as a service without adding headcounts. Today we are 3.5 full-time employees. If we have kept our old setup, my guess is that we needed to have 6-7 full-time employees. My team is able to focus on a lot of other stuff than managing, and we can monitor simple stuff, and we have Nutanix to react together with us. The ease of use and the support from Nutanix was key differentiators. It's a hyper-converged infrastructure platform, so adding more storage, CPU, memory is, one box. Adding one box takes us, 10 minutes, and then we can add it to the cluster. With Nutanix, our time to market is very, very fast, and we actually have calculated that we have 4% less depreciation, and we have lowered our kilowatt-hour usage by 38% compared to our old 3-tier model. Well, the biggest challenges we are facing today is the demand for microservices. And together with Nutanix, that's pretty easy. We just need to buy a license, and then we can test it out. It's more or less point and click, and then you're done.